so this is the Cougar 29MBS. We're looking at the floor plan here. It has a rear private double bunkhouse.
Oh, nice. I can't wait to see it. Oh my goodness.
So what do you notice right away?
Well, I noticed the back kitchen, and I noticed the lighter wall coverings, which opens it up. I think.
Right.
I mean, that was, wow.
I know, this floor plan is fantastic. I love the decor here and the glass. I think that's really beautiful. I don't know if you noticed, but this really popular shiplap style.
Oh, right.
It's so Joanna Gaines right there. Maybe she'd love this unit.
Oh, I like it. My husband wanted a rear kitchen when we were looking.
Yeah.
We looked at different ones. We looked at bunkhouse, rear kitchen.
Yeah.
And I think the reason we chose our floor plan was because it mimicked our tow-behind floor. It was the exact.
Right. Just kind of fit your lifestyle.
Yeah, right, absolutely. For two people, yeah. I mean, it's perfect for me and my husband.
What do you think of the windows here?
Nice. I like the black shades. I like the color. And let's see, how are the windows?
What do you think about these window treatments?
I like them. Very nice.
A little bit more modern.
I like that they got rid of the
valances and everything.
They opened it up. Yeah, I think so.
How about the built-in spice rack?
Oh, I was just gonna say.
I know.
Bet you could put a bunch of spices in there. I was just gonna, yeah. I
It's
like
beautiful.
The counter space. Lots of counter space.
Plenty of space for cooking. So I have to say one thing, and I want your opinion on this. The racks.
I like that.
Yes.
Yes. You come in the door, take your coat off, hang it up. Here, we'll just do that.
Yeah,
right
just
now.
make yourself at home.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think that's perfect for when you want to kick off your shoes. You can sit, hang your stuff, hang a dog leash if you got dogs.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really nice. They did a nice job on this.
They did a really nice job.
Maybe I'm biased, but maybe not. All right, as we're coming into the private bunkhouse, what do you think?
Oh my goodness. Look at the storage.
I know, right?
Kids' clothes.
Look at that.
Wow. I like that.
And you even have a set of drawers.
Wow. Oh, look at that, how deep they are. Wow, I like that.
It's beautiful. And so this is your bunk. So this room's pretty versatile, I think. You can make this, you know, your theater room if you wanted. You would have to hang a TV, but that is all available for you here.
Wow.
So this could be kind of your adult, you know, hangout room when the kids are in the living area. And then you've got this bunk here. You pop these and it pulls down.
Oh, very easy.
Yeah, that's
that
super simple.
Easy.
Yep. And then you have a bunk perfect for the grandkids or guests.
Very nice.
Plenty of space. Look at the nice built-in drawer.
Like that.
That's slick.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Lots of storage for them clothes.
Now, is Jack a snorer? Does he have a CPAP?
We both do it.
Okay. Look at that. Plenty of room for your CPAP machines.
I know.
There's even a plug-in on both sides. There's also USB ports right next to the plug-in, so you can put your phone and your CPAP.
Very nice.
Well, Cheryl, thank you so much for coming out, spending a little bit of time looking at these new Cougars. We know you love this lifestyle. You love camping. You love being on the road with your husband. And we're just so glad that you're here and that you're our fan because we love you too.
Aw, I love you too.
All right. So everybody, if you've got questions on the new floor plan, check us out online, KeystoneRV.com, or be sure to go into your local dealer and ask for Keystone, especially Cougar.
Absolutely.